Struggling to get that perfect split? You're not alone. Many people find it difficult to achieve full flexibility, especially when their muscles are tight or they've been inactive for too long. But what if I told you that with the right stretches, you could unlock unbelievable flexibility and finally conquer the split? We all know that flexibility is key for injury prevention and overall mobility, yet the journey to a split can feel like an uphill battle. It's easy to get frustrated when you've been working on your flexibility for weeks or months without seeing significant progress. But here's the thing, you may be missing a few critical intermediate stretches that could make all the difference, the secret to achieving your split faster. The key lies in targeting the right muscle groups in the right way without overextending or risking injury. Intermediate stretches can help you unlock deeper flexibility in your hamstrings, hip flexors, and inner thighs, areas that play a huge role in achieving a perfect split. What's even better? These stretches also help prevent those common muscle tightness and soreness issues that can hold you back. Here's what you need to know. The lunge stretch is a game changer for opening up your hips. Pair it with the seated forward fold to target the hamstrings and lower back. And don't forget about the pigeon pose, which works wonders on your hip flexors and inner thighs. These 3 stretches alone will take you a long way towards improving your flexibility and helping you work towards your goal of a perfect split. The best part? By incorporating these intermediate stretches into your routine, you're not just preparing for the split, you're also enhancing your overall mobility and strength. These stretches will leave you feeling more open, agile, and confident, with noticeable results in just a few weeks. So, are you ready to push past your limits and finally achieve that split? Try these stretches and unlock your true flexibility potential. Trust me, the secret to unbelievable flexibility is just a few stretches away.